Hi.
Hello.
There.
Oh.
Phil.
Oh.
You're here with Maddie. Stephanie.
Ashley.
Cinnamon challenge. But we're all out of cinnamon.
So
Hot chocolate. But I heard that it makes you cough too, so.
same thing. Oh well. Who cares?
Y'all ready for this? Say that in every single video. Ah, Boomer, no.
Ready?
What the heck are you doing? I'm dumping it all over
I'm
my
not
hand.
dumping it in my hand. That's a chocolate mess.
Ready?
Hold on.
One.
What happened? I'm not dumping it in my hand. I'm not dumping it in my hand. I'm opening it later.
Alright, ready? One. Y'all ready for this?
That's so gross.
I'm thirsty now.
Oh my god! It's burning my nose. Oh my god!
More.
You're a double rager. Poor Phil. Okay, do I do more? Okay. Rip for the team, okay? This is so gross. It's on my nose. It's on my nose.
Boomer, get away! Sorry. Boomer needs a bath now.
Cocoa is so gross. Is it up your nose?
No.
It's up my nose.
It's like stuck in there. Ew, your teeth!
Hold on, let me put some on my teeth. I got an idea. It's not on my teeth yet.
Boomer.
Don't do it.
Ew, bro. I'm fucking freaking.
I love freaking that one.
Ah. Is this my color? Ah.
My teeth were once white, now brown.
Yeah, Larry.
Imagine somebody had this color teeth like.
Hey, Niall.
Hey, Louie. Mia?
Alive!
Zane?
Ew.
All I know is there's chocolate on my nose, so somebody better get it out.
Okay.
So you'll pick my nose?
Let's say goodbye.
Adios.
Hey, subscribe.
While I get this chocolate off my pants.
And
These are
comment.
Sexy.
What you think? Become fans. Follow us on Twitter. Maddie C. Simpson and Stephanie Bubblegum. No, let me put her name. Steph _.
Oh god, my
Steph
nose is bleeding.
_. Bubblegum. Is it really?
Yeah.
Her nose is bleeding. Capital MADI. Capital C. Capital S.
Lowercase everything.
INPSON.
Aren't I attractive? Didn't you just fart?
No. Okay. Goodbye. Bye, babes.